Welcome to your Coverage Buddy, your go-to place for making health insurance simple and stress-free. If you're wondering whether Medicare or the Marketplace is the better choice for you or a loved one, you're in the right place. Today, we'll break down the differences, eligibility, costs, and benefits, so you can make the best choice for your needs and budget. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Medicare. Medicare is a federal health insurance program primarily for people age 65 and older, some younger people with disabilities, and people with end-stage renal disease. Medicare has 4 parts. Part A is hospital insurance. It covers inpatient stays, hospice, and some home care. Part B is medical insurance. It covers outpatient care, doctor visits, lab work, and preventive services. Part C is also known as Medicare Advantage. This is offered by private companies and includes everything in Part A and B, often with extra benefits like dental and vision. Part D is prescription drug coverage. You typically become eligible for Medicare at 65, and most people don't pay a premium for Part A if they or their spouse paid Medicare taxes while working. Now let's look at the Marketplace, also called the Health Insurance Exchange. This is for people under 65 who don't have health insurance through an employer, Medicaid, or Medicare. Marketplace plans are divided into 4 metal tiers: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. These tiers reflect how costs are shared between you and the insurance company, not necessarily the quality of care. Premiums vary by income, and many people qualify for subsidies through tax credits and cost-sharing reductions. So if you're self-employed, between jobs, or retiring early before 65, the Marketplace might be your best bet. Here's how Medicare and Marketplace insurance stack up. Eligibility. Medicare is for those age 65 and older or those with a qualifying disability, while Marketplace insurance is for any age, usually under 65. Provider network. Medicare usually has a broad network, but it depends on the plan. Marketplace plans vary widely by plan. Drug coverage. Medicare offers optional drug coverage through Part D or Advantage plans, while Marketplace plans often include drug coverage. Subsidies. Medicare has limited subsidies and income doesn't lower the cost much. On the other hand, Marketplace insurance offers income-based subsidies. Extra benefits. Medicare Advantage plans may include dental and vision, whereas only some Marketplace plans include extra benefits. Another key difference: Medicare enrollment is limited to specific periods, while Marketplace coverage happens during the open enrollment period, typically from November 1st to January 15th, or during a special enrollment. So, how do you know which is right for you? If you're 65 or older, you should enroll in Medicare, even if you're still working. You may be penalized if you delay. If you're under 65 or retiring early, then Marketplace is your option. For people on disability, Medicare eligibility usually starts after 24 months of Social Security disability insurance. Still working at 65? You might choose to delay some parts of Medicare, but it's important to compare costs between employer coverage, Medicare, and Marketplace. Let's go through a few examples. Scenario 1. Maria is 64 and self-employed. She's not eligible for Medicare yet, so she buys a silver Marketplace plan with subsidies. Scenario 2. James turns 65 and enrolls in original Medicare plus Part D, but decides to switch to a Medicare Advantage plan during the next enrollment window for more coverage. Scenario 3. Tina is 62 and retiring early. She chooses a Marketplace plan for 3 years, then switches to Medicare at 65. Every situation is different, and the right plan depends on your income, health needs, and lifestyle. Choosing the right health plan is one of the most important decisions you'll make, but you don't have to do it alone. Let your Coverage Buddy help guide you through your Medicare or Marketplace options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health, your coverage, your choice.